copy of our album, and it looks really cool. All our names are on it, and it's hopefully lots of people are going to buy it, and all these lovely people will be packing it. So we're really looking forward to it coming out, and hoping that everyone will buy it.
Just sung in Amazon and we've just seen the CD for the first time. I can't believe it, it's actually here now. So I'm definitely buying it. Everyone in my family, all my friends are having one for Christmas, and you better buy it too.
I'm going to put this on my CV, technically worked in Amazon today. Ta-da!
Right, so I've done 5 in 5 minutes. I think I should get a job now. I don't want to be in Only Boys Aloud.
The best part of being on Only Boys Aloud is the fact you get to spend so much time with our friends and stuff, and the great experiences you get to have, and obviously the free food we get as well, which Joe is kindly demonstrated.
Tim's inspired me so much when it comes to music. He's not only has he given us all opportunities, amazing opportunities like this, but he's also inspired us musically to keep at singing, despite the fact that we might not even be in a music-related job in the future. But it's a great pastime, and it brings great opportunities to us.
If I wasn't in Only Boys Aloud, I wouldn't have as many amazing friends as I do now, and I wouldn't be able to sing. Then I'd be sad.